2018 Forest River Flagstaff Shamrock 23 BDS for sale in Seymour, Illinois 61875. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2018 Forest River Flagstaff Shamrock 23 BDS. This luxury travel trailer is 29.83 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 comfortably. It has been outfitted with one slide-out dining area, one full-length awning, as well as leveling jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its light clean condition. This 2018 Forest River Flagstaff Shamrock 23 BDS travel trailer RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, microwave, solid surface counter TopsRefrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkU-Shaped DinetteTelevision inside and out, surround sound inside and out, DVD / CD / StereoSofa, SleeperChairsGlass, enclosed shower toilet, sink pull-down bed in front, pull-down bed in rear, storage closet, electric front tongue lift, backup CameraECO, ProtectionEZ, Hitch, round bar, StyleNitrogen, filled tires, exterior grill, and so much more. This 2018 Forest River Flagstaff Shamrock 23 BDS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2018 Forest River Flagstaff Shamrock 23 BDS travel trailer can be yours.